Alright, it's June 15th. It is our last day here. It is a travel day. Everybody's up at 5-something in the morning. We have embarked on our journey back home. Sun rises to a new day. Look at that single palm right there. Boom, that's kind of cool. The morning moon. This is our trek back to our bus.
Are we gonna have to go?
Our bus to Port-au-Prince. The sunset is completely beautiful. It is amazing. Wow. I mean sunrise. Look at, I'm already backwards. It matches Milford's shirt. You picked a good shirt today. Really? Thank you. Disembark. Our little blue bus. the airport. We made it. Well, not quite. We have to get through all this stuff. Ooh. Here at the airport, we're unloading. Alright. Woo!
Taking us from final destination.
Great. Blessings to you. Thank you. Better seat. Oops, excuse me. Final boarding process. We have to go through another security check before we get on the aircraft. And we're just waiting online. Everybody is so tired, including myself. I didn't sleep well last night. I kept waking up and I sweat like I could not believe. The most I've ever sweat here before. Soaked my sheets and everything. So who knows if it was a fever I had last night or what, but that was normal for me. Another checkpoint. We made it through the second security checkpoint, which is right there. And they really enjoyed my feet shoes. I tell them, it's foot. They're like, here's the other one. Hello. Hello, everybody. Hi. Did everybody come safely with all their digits and appendages? Debatable. Debatable? Yes. Right. Good. We made it onto the tarmac. Woo! They're way ahead of us.
Yeah, they already took a bus with most of our kids.
Alright. Look at all the space! Off we go! I don't have 2 seconds, Katie. I have 100. Oh, we don't have the little flippy flops.
Yeah, I know, I'm sad. This was the first plane we went on.
The last plane that we were on.
Had the flippy flops.
We'll be on the way short.
Got the smoke machine going for us. Alright, we're here at the customs entry. We've got all these little kiosks that we have to fill out. We've arrived here in the United States. We're at the JFK airport. Just went through customs. Got our passports inspected. Worked out great. That was one of the smoothest flights I have ever been on. I want another one. I want another one for this next flight to Albuquerque to be just as smooth.
Those planes with touch screen.
This was nice. We're getting water here. This one actually works. We're so used to filters, aren't we, guys? Which probably means we have to go through security again.
Yep.
We're gonna do security again. Oh, how
It's gonna be the tight US version of security.
Right. So Liam went through the pat down through the TSA checkout, and it was nice, huh? Got to talk to the TSA agents. I got to pray for mine. He's
I
good.
think we're back to the spot we were last time. That was nice.
Like some of them get like a lot of beef from other people, and then you get to just talk to them and bless them and say, hey, can I just lift that heaviness off you and just refresh you with the love of Jesus? And they're like, okay. And then you always feel better. It's so cool.
We should get a really nice plane this time.
We want the flight to be super smooth like this one from Haiti. So we're checking in at gate 18, which is right there. So good. good. Whoopsie daisies. Some of us have embarked at a wonderful place to let out your pent-up energy while on an airplane called Tumbleleaf. Look at it. Look how happy he is. Look how happy they are. You are so happy, people. So happy. How are you tumbling? Oh, you can't really tumble on here. It's a pirate ship, mate. Let's enter the Tumbleleaf entrance. Oh. I'm done tumbling. My energy has been exerted. Liam is looking up a airport map to see where good food is around here. Did you find anything? Oh, I'm looking right now. Nursing stations. Oh my. Breakfast burrito for 15 bucks. Mexican omelet for 13. Very expensive. We're gonna check out the sports bar they talked about. New York Sports Grill. What do they have? We don't know. Burgers, a lot. Ooh, I like the choices here. Oh yeah. Blue BLT with blue cheese. Smokehouse burger, Liam. Smoked Gouda, chipotle barbecue sauce, crispy onions. Greek burger, a tuna burger, or just a regular hamburger. The #1 choice so far. They've got like 8 hamburgers to choose from. The price is the same as the other place. Maybe a little cheaper. Maybe the burger's smaller. I don't know. Let's see what's around the corner here. Still on the hunt for a good place to eat. Do we want food? Pretty sure it's gonna be free. I will eat your shoulder.
I like Jamba Juice.
You don't want to? You all ate there?
Yeah. What's in this pizza right here?
So this is like a little food court in here. Down at all this. Is that kombucha? No? Oh, whoa. I almost ate it. Beer. Oh wait, no, I don't like beer. I don't like it. Cheeseburger. Their burgers are a lot less expensive. That is a lot of burgers. Philly cheesesteaks, Liam.
Oh yeah, Philly cheesesteaks actually might be delicious.
So we just talked to Gregory from JetBlue, and he suggests this pizza place or the chili cheesesteak. And I don't know. How big's the slice? Oh, that's it. I don't know, Liam.
The slice.
And that's one. And that's one. They're pretty big slices. It's not bad. What's your favorite pizza here? Yeah. You're like, I am so sick of pizza.
Not bad to choose.
This one? Buffalo chicken. Awesome. We really don't spend a lot of time doing this, but because we have like 6 hours to kill.
Might as well.
Hello.
Not that's gonna like break my arm.
I do like Jamba Juice. Cheeseburger. So what are you thinking?
I don't want the burger that's at the grill, but I want to know how much meat it has.
Yes, let's ask. We're at New York Sports. It's the same size burger as it is at Cheeseburger.
But 2 times the price roughly.
Right, it's almost 2 times the price. Oh man, I am crashing hard, so we need to get food.
Hungry.
I know, I'm like, I think Cheeseburger wins, and
Probably.
a slice of pizza sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it does actually.
Yep.
I'm not gonna get anything too special. I just want to eat.
All right, so we're gonna find out what Mama wants to do, and we'll go from there.
Panini for
Whoa, this looks yummy.
No, I mean.
Did anybody get a burger though? That's what I want to know.
Where's the burger?
Me.
Who got a burger?
Nobody got a burger.
Got a burger? That's what the restaurant is called. You love it.
We're thinking about it.
And nobody got a cheeseburger.
No cheeseburger. Oh man, we're gonna walk back down to the food court again. Look who we ran into here at JFK. Ooh. They chose the pizza. All right, my head is hurting really bad. The ring of blue. We ended up getting 3 trombones here, 3 egg rolls, and a noodle thing over here at the Asian place for Kaya. Got the cheese pepperoni. What'd you get, Lizzie?
We're all sharing donuts, but
No kidding?
nothing yet.
Oh. You might want to get a protein.
Oh yeah, this is not my dinner.
Okay. Are you getting anything?
Donuts.
You might want to get a protein. That'll last longer. Just a suggestion. It is your
Yeah,
Your
I
body.
just don't. I ran out of money.
Oh. How'd you run out of money?
Because I ran out of money.
You spent it hard and fast, huh? Alright. That happens when you're in Haiti. And there's little adorable children. Too bad this wasn't that Coca-Cola in Haiti.
I know, that was good.
Pretty good stuff. Alright, food. We found Liam. Liam, come on. Come on. Now we're passing our time here in the airport.
This is quite a game. We're actually outsiders having a game. So if anyone has a you immediately stand like
Playing Mafia and various other interactive games. We have a gate change. Gate 16, where we originally were at, back there. So now we're on the very opposite end of the terminal here. So we're moving 24 kids and adults to gate 4, which is all the way this direction. So we've just been notified that our gate has moved from 16 to 4 and now to 23. So we're gonna head to gate 23. We're getting our miles in this way. We made it on row 17. I got a window this time. Woohoo! First time. JetBlue. Oh, there's naked people on my screen. What the heck? I'm not watching anything. I didn't do this. See? They're nude. Where's the map? So we are switching planes. We were in the air for about, what, an hour? And left. They smelled a funny smell in the back of the plane. Said, we're gonna turn around. So we're back at JFK. And we're gonna jump on another plane at gate 29. We're boarding back on our new plane, gate 29.
Now I can say I've been in New York 3 times. No, wait, technically 4, right?
So we're boarding again for the second and last time. So we made it back on the aircraft, a different one. They switched us planes, and we're all here. And we're gonna make it safely home in a record amount of time. It's 11:35, 4-hour-ish flight, saying maybe 30 we'll get there. So we just speak a blessing over this airplane in the name of Jesus. Coming home. Over 24 hours of traveling. Oh my gosh. How's everybody feeling? Oh.
Happy to finally be almost home.
So over 24 hours later, we're here in Albuquerque after returning back to JFK once, switching planes, actually switching gates like 5 times or something like that. But we're here. That's what matters. But we're not quite off the plane yet. is tired. That girl is tired. And all of our friends are tired up there. Hey, buddy boy. Wow. Long.
You know, I've flown many more times and that's never happened to me once. I think it's funny.
Just think yesterday we were driving in the back of a truck at 4 o'clock in the morning. Awesome.